ingredients that you guys will need for this cream cheese strawberry cheesecake pie. So Cool Whip, some Philadelphia cream cheese, a can of the strawberry, and then the little graham cracker mini pie crust. So these are all the ingredients that you guys will need to make this delicious, quick and easy, simple recipe, you guys. First, you want to start by taking your cream cheese. We're going to go ahead and put it in the KitchenAid mixer. If you don't have one, you don't have to use one, but if you do, it's easier. So we're going to start by putting our cream cheese in here to go ahead and loosen this up. You also want to take 1/3 cup of sugar and place in there as well. So now that we have our cream cheese and our sugar mixed together, this is what it should be looking like. And I'm going to go ahead and add the Cool Whip to this now. So now that I have the Cool Whip and the cream cheese together, I'm going to go ahead and mix it in. Make sure to fold it in. This is what the mixture should be looking like. Now we're going to go ahead and add this into our little pie crust. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking now that I went ahead and filled up the mini graham cracker crust with it. And all we have to do is just top it with our canned strawberries, and then we will have our miniature strawberry cream cheese pie, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put the strawberry glaze on top, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the strawberries to it to top it off, and then we will be completely done with the little miniature pies. And that's how they look, y'all. Let me give y'all a close up. And there you have it. You have mini cream cheese strawberry pies, y'all. And they are delicious. Y'all gotta give these a try. And this is how they look with the little top on, you guys. They're so cute. Look at them. So then you can just hand them out. It's so nice. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you for watching.